Alright, so welcome to part 2 of the suburb tutorial. Alright, you see that we've got our guidelines already set up. We have the grassy knolls already started. We kind of sketched where our driveway is going to be. We do have the garage set up already. Now, for a couple of things we want to do before we take on adding more buildings, because we're going to start working down the street next. Alright, I do want to take my pencil now, and I want to work top to bottom. I'm going to shade in this area. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go lightly, alright, at the beginning. Alright, I'm working really fast in here, try not to put in too much straight lines. Now I know that this eave is hanging over top of the area, or the side here, so I know it's going to be casting a shadow. So as I work up underneath this eave, I do want to put a little bit more pressure, creating a darker value with my pencil. I can also put a little extra value here at the bottom. Now this is also a really good time to talk about making good choices as you work on this. Alright, you may have more area here to work with. Alright, you may choose to say, oh, I want to make this into brick later. Alright, so going too far at the beginning, alright, with this value may not be the best thing. Alright, now I will stress to you not to take your finger at this point and rub on this value. Alright, you do have oils in your hands that can mix with the graphite and cause this to stain and or actually cause the paper to deteriorate over time. We do not want that to happen because the oils are not acid free. Alright, now if I'm going to put value here, I probably want to put some in here as well. Alright, so I'm going to put not as dark of a value because it is hitting some of the sunlight, where this is really covered over. This one's catching some reflected light, so I don't want to make it as dark. Now as I am adding value to this, I do want to turn my sketch a little bit here, and then I want to go side to side as I value the eave as it goes up. Now as you start getting close to the apex, don't change how you shade, alright, because that is still continuing underneath the eave here. Alright, and if you get here and turn a different direction, then you just change the illusion. Alright, now if you sketched outside the line, no biggie, that's why we have erasers.